The most common type. Hello everyone, and welcome to English Nova. Today we are going to talk about 5 powerful techniques that can make your English learning 10 times faster. Many people study English for years but still cannot speak confidently. The reason is not always a lack of talent. Sometimes they simply use the wrong methods. The good news is that you can improve much faster if you learn in a smart way. In this video, I will share 5 simple techniques that successful English learners use every day. So, let's begin. Technique number 1. Learn English every day, even for a short time. Many students study for 5 hours one day and then stop for a whole week. This is not effective. Your brain learns better with daily practice. Even 15 or 20 minutes every day can improve your English quickly. Small daily habits are more powerful than long study sessions once in a while. For example, you can listen to English while walking, read a short story before sleeping, watch 1 English video every day, learn 5 new words daily. When you practice every day, English becomes part of your life. Consistency is more important than perfection. Technique number 2. Learn with English stories. Stories are one of the best ways to learn a language naturally. When you listen to stories, you learn vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and sentence structure at the same time. Stories also help your brain remember information longer, because emotions and imagination make learning stronger. For example, if you hear a story about a brave person, your brain connects emotions with words. This makes vocabulary easier to remember. Choose simple and interesting stories. Listen to them many times. First, listen carefully, then repeat the sentences aloud. You do not need to understand every single word. Focus on understanding the main idea. Little by little, your listening and speaking skills will improve naturally. Technique number 3. Speak English without fear. Many learners are afraid of making mistakes. They wait for perfect grammar before speaking. But this is a big mistake. Remember this. You do not learn to speak English by only studying grammar. You learn by speaking. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes help you improve. Try to speak English every day. Speak to yourself. Describe your day in English. Repeat sentences from videos. Practice in front of a mirror. Confidence grows with practice. At first, you may speak slowly. That is okay. The important thing is to continue. Every time you speak, your brain becomes faster and stronger in English. Technique number 4. Listen to English as much as possible. Listening is the key to fluent speaking. If you want to speak English naturally, you must hear English every day. Children learn languages by listening first. You can do the same. Listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, audiobooks, English conversations, movies and interviews. Do not worry if you cannot understand everything at the beginning. This is completely normal. The more you listen, the more your brain becomes familiar with English sounds and patterns. After some time, you will notice something amazing. You will begin to understand English automatically. Your pronunciation will also improve because your brain copies the sounds you hear often. Technique number 5. Think in English. This technique is very powerful. Many learners translate everything from their native language into English. This makes speaking slow and difficult. Instead, train your brain to think directly in English. Start with simple thoughts. I am tired. I need water. Today is a beautiful day. I am going to work. Then slowly make longer sentences. At first, it may feel difficult, but with practice, your brain will adapt. Thinking in English helps you speak faster and more naturally. It also improves your confidence because you stop depending on translation. Now let's quickly review the 5 techniques. Number 1, practice English every day. Number 2, learn with stories. Number 3, speak without fear. Number 4, listen to English every day. Number 5, think in English. If you use these 5 techniques consistently, your English will improve much faster than before. Remember, language learning is a journey. Do not compare yourself to others. Focus on daily progress. Even small improvement every day can create big success in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support English Nova for more English learning videos. Keep practicing, keep learning, and never give up. See you in the next video.